have come from my old channel, I Just React and Review, then hi guys, how are you? Hope all is well. And if you have come to the channel for the first time, then hi, welcome guys. My name is Ashmita and this is a channel which I have just started, which will be purely dedicated to K-pop reactions. Okay, so just to give a quick context, I already have a channel named I Just React and Review where I react to a lot of Indian and of course foreign content. I review a lot of movies and I had also started reacting to K-pop thanks to viewer suggestions. But as I started reacting to more and more K-pop stuff, I realized that there are way too many things, way too many things to react to. There are way too many idol groups and I was not able to dedicate full time to K-pop. And you know, the viewers used to request when the next K-pop reaction is coming, when is it coming? But there's just so much Indian content to react to and review. I was really not focusing much on the K-pop reactions. So I took a decision to start a new channel which will be dedicated only and only to K-pop. My original K-pop reactions are still there on I Just React and Review. So if you want to see those reactions, I will link all the playlists in the description box. Okay, so whoever has seen the last K-pop reaction video that I did for Namjoon's birthday, you guys know that I had already said that the next BTS reaction is going to be the Go-Go dance practice. So I am gonna react to that today. And one of the armies said that please react to the video from the Bangtan subs channel because they are talking and all before the dance. So because the original one doesn't have subtitles. So yes, without delaying this, I have blabbed a lot. I have given a lot of context. Now I want to just see them dance, especially Taeyang in that Snow White costume. So yeah, let's react to Go-Go dance practice Halloween version. Okay.
자 여러분, 자 우리 고민보다 우리 할로윈 특집으로
Halloween special.
나머지 어떻게 정해?
나머지 다 똑같아요.
나머지 다 똑같아. 이거 손난장이야. 그냥 한 번에 한 명은 백설공주를 입으면 됩니다.
Oh, okay. So they are basically deciding who. Obviously, I'm sure nobody wanted to wear the Snow White costume. So okay, so they're deciding on the costume.
이거는 적극적으로 정규기가 의견을 내고요.
하자는 거예요. 따끈따끈하게 어제
어!
했어요 의견을.
어제
하자 그러더라고.
근데 불교는 제가 항상 트렌드였거든요.
자 해보자 일단. 자
진 사람이 하는 거야?
진 사람이
백설공주를
The loser has to be Snow White. Okay.
해방도 아니고 제방이 아닌데.
가위가위보.
Okay, rock paper scissors.
나 진짜 백설공주 싫어. 자 가자.
야 불교 하면 트렌드.
안 내면 진 거 가위가위보. 야, 저 진짜
개인적으로 슈가형이 하는 거 보고 싶다.
진짜 몰라.
나 얼마나 했잖아 윤지.
안 내면 진 거 가위가위보.
잠시만요. 제가 진짜 농담 아니고 너 얘기하고 내가 진짜 꿈에서 잠깐 왔는데 태영이가 했어요.
태영이가
나 뭔가 집중이 할 것 같아.
제가 진짜 봤어요.
나 태영이가 했으면 좋겠다.
제가 꿈에서
I am wondering because I have seen those Go-Go clips. I'm wondering if Jin would have been the loser. I know Taeyang was wearing the costume, but I was wondering what if Jin had lost and he had to wear that costume. Oh, that would have been damn funny. Okay.
아 그래도 방탄의 비주얼을 담당하고 있는
비주얼.
두 명은 백설공주를 하게 되었습니다.
간만에 안 했잖아.
이중 한 명이 백설공주를 합니다.
이설공주냐 진설공주.
Look at how nervous they are!
내가 꿈에서 봤다니까. 내가 봤어.
Oh my god, look at Taeyang's face. Like, look at his face. Poor baby. Okay. But this looks like a fun song. The music. Oh my god, Taeyang. I can't stop looking at Taeyang. Look at Yoongi! Oh my god, Taeyang! looks traumatized. Oh my god, Yoongi is so cute. Taeyang is not smiling only. I think Taeyang is probably the most comfortable. Even though he's wearing the dress, he's wearing sports shoes. So I think Jin's shoes are huge. It already fell off. Oh my god, Taeyang is not smiling at all. He's traumatized. The dude is traumatized. Taeyang is actually dancing very freely. Oh my god! Oh, this step! Oh my god, I don't know what the meaning of this song is, but such chill vibes I'm getting from this song. Go-Go. Why is it called Go-Go? Oh my god. I can't stop looking at Taeyang. He looks damn cute. He looks damn cute. I like Taeyang as a princess. Oh my god. And I like this song. Chill song. Oh! Jin's shoes are huge. He's not able to dance. Aww, Jake! You know what is making him look too cute is that bow thing on the top that he's wearing. Yeah, he's such a baby. Oh my god. He's not smiling at all. Chill song. Yoongi seems to be enjoying himself so much. He's like smiling, that his gummy smile is showing non-stop. And I think, look at Jimin. Look at Jimin. Jimin, I don't know how much Jimin would have teased Taeyang after this. Like he's just smiling non-stop and Taeyang is like giving him the death stare. Look at Jimin! Jimin can't stop his smile. Oh, that one. Oh, I like the step. Can't stop looking at Taeyang. Oh my god. Taeyang is now a little bit more comfortable with the dress. Oh, I like what they did. Taeyang and Jimin, yeah. Here. This one. Such a chill song. Oh, he's gone. Namjoon's shoes also gone. It's such a fun song. Oh, I had seen this clip. He'll fall. He'll die of the... Poor them, I swear. Happy Halloween. Oh, that was so much fun. That was so much fun. That was super fun. Okay, my thoughts. First, Taeyang was not smiling at all. I think by the end of it, by just when the song is about to get over, he opened up like a little bit because I think he was glad that, oh my god, thank god the song is going to be over. So I am guessing they do the dance practices with costumes in Halloween, because I remember seeing a couple of their other clips in the compilation videos where they were again with the costumes in their dance practice thing. And there was one more where Jungkook was wearing that nice bunny costume. I want to see that also. So yeah, so first I think Taeyang was traumatized wearing that dress. And second, what a chill song. I do not know what the song means, of course. There were no subtitles for the song, but I really enjoyed the step, this one that Jin was doing, and this step, and this one, that step. Oh wow, such a fun song. I was thinking that Dynamite has the most chill choreography. This is even chiller than Dynamite. Okay, and third, I couldn't take my eyes off Taeyang. He looked so cute. Taeyang, personally from my end, don't be embarrassed. No, not many men can pull off a beautiful princess costume, and I think you did pretty well. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to the go-go dance practice. I am so happy I finally reacted to one of their dance practice videos, and now that with this channel I'm gonna just do so many more reactions on BTS, other groups like Blackpink, ATEEZ. I think forever I've not listened to any ATEEZ songs. I really want to listen to a couple of their songs, because I only listened to 2 of their songs, and many other more group reactions to come your way guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and I hope you subscribe to the channel if you have come here for the first time, and thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.